Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Are you struggling to connect Wi-Fi connectivity in your laptop? Is your laptop not connecting to the internet from the router or your mobile personal hotspot? Is your laptop Wi-Fi icon is missing like this one? If this is the case, then this video is meant for you. By end of this video, you will not only able to find out where is the problem, but will be able to troubleshoot and resolve your problem. So stay tuned till the end, do not skip the video. So let's get started. So first thing first you need to go to this PC, right click on this, then go to show more options, then we have to go to manage, then device manager. You can see all the drivers installed on this system. Now we have to go to network adapters. Here we need to make sure all the drivers are present or not, which related to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So here we can see all the drivers are already installed. That means the problem is somewhere else. Remember, if there is any driver is missing over here, then you will find the exclamatory mark on this. Instead of this blue color mark, you will find a yellow color triangle mark, that is exclamatory mark on this particular driver. Then you have to right click on that driver and you have to click update driver when it is connected to internet, or by using a different source, the one which I'll show you now. Then the driver installation will be completed, and after that your internet will start working. So we need to close this, and then we have to open the laptop back cover. So here we have opened the laptop back cover. Now here is the card which is responsible for all your Wi-Fi connectivity. This card is responsible for your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So we need to open this and clean it up, and then we need to recheck. If you are not able to open it, do not try it. And before opening this, we must remove the battery, which we already removed it. So we have cleaned it and replaced it, but the problem remains same. Remember, even if these wires are not connected properly, your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must function. So in our case, this card is the only problem we are having. If we replace this card, our problem will be solved. In your case, if this card is faulty and you wanted to resolve yourself, then solution is not replacing this card, because this need special tools to open the laptop and experience as well. So in this case, I have another solution which you may try. So guys, in your case, you must use this device to resolve your problem. This is a Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi dongle. It has a 10-meter range. It will receive your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. So let's place it and see how it works. So here is the dongle. But one thing we must not forget, that is, before inserting to the USB port, we must disable the driver which is not working on your system. Now you have to right click on that driver and you have to disable it. Once you disable it, it shows it is disabled. Now we have to put the Wi-Fi dongle into the USB port, and here you can see generic Bluetooth adapter and Intel R wireless Bluetooth. It is getting installed by its own in Windows 10 and 11. Now see what happens next. So here is our Wi-Fi icon. Let's click it. Now you can see Bluetooth is working. Bluetooth has started working, and then your Wi-Fi icon also came, and if you check the Wi-Fi, all the Wi-Fi you can see across. Okay guys, if you have resolved your problem by watching this video and method, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.